Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to connect boards on Monday web application. So the first thing that we need you to do now is to open your Monday website by going to your browser and type monday.com. After that you will need just to create an account by signing up with your email, and if you do already have one, just log in into it and then just follow the simple steps. And basically the first step will be to go to your working space by clicking on work management and here choose your boards. And now I'm going to link this board, which is called Get Started, with the board My Board. And to do or to link your boards or two boards, we need to add a column that is called Connect Boards. And basically, let's just delete this one for more visibility. I'm going to click delete, and I will delete this one here in my example, and I'm going to add a board. And basically you will need to search for connect board. So I go for more column and then search for connect, and then you will find the button or the board, the column that is called connect board. Basically I add connect board, and of course you will select the board that you want to connect or to link. I will click on get started and then select board, get started, and then I will click on connect board. And basically I'm going to create a mirror column which will be mirroring my board here. And basically here we need to go setting, customize. Now that we have linked these ones, now we will need to go to mirror, and then we will choose which thing that we want to mirror. Basically it will start taking data from any column that we want, and it can be anything that we choose. So you go to customize and then you will choose either it is status, board, person, or whatever was the label. So here I have, as you can see in the columns, I have item, person, status, the date, and drop down. So you will need to choose anything from here, and now you will choose the item one, for example. And basically what we are mirroring is the status. And if we go to get started, we search for item 2, and as you can see its status is done. So that's why that we see that in the mirror, which is status, mirror status. And here if we change it to working on it, as you can see it will be changed here also. As you can see, it was at the beginning done, and now it's become working on it. So basically this is how you can connect two boards on or multiple boards on Monday web application. Thank you for watching and see you next time.